Next question on bill of exchange. On 1st October 2014, N draws a bill on T for 20,000 for 3 months. The bill was accepted and returned to N. So first question is, who is the drawer and who is the drawee? The person who writes the bill is your drawer, and the person who accepts and returns the bill to the drawer is your drawee. So N is drawing the bill, drawer is N, and who is accepting the bill? T is accepting the bill, so drawee is T. Okay, let's go further. N immediately discounted the bill with her bank at 12% per annum. Okay, so discounting of bill का भी entry है. Before due date, T dishonored her acceptance. So bill got dishonored. Bank paid noting charges rupees 120. T requested to renew the bill for further 3 months. So cancellation of bill and making new bill का entries है. N agreed. He took the bill back from bank and received new acceptance for 50% amounts of the bill plus full amount of noting charges and cash for balance 50% plus interest rupees 200 before due date. Means we will have to do proper calculation for this. T was declared insolvent and nothing could be received from her. So insolvency entry and bad debts entry, deficiency entry to be done. So let's start with our question. First question of drawing the bill. N draws bill on T for 20,000 for 3 months. So on 1st October 2014. What is the first entry? N draws bill on T rupees 20,000 for 3 months. So bill receivable for the drawer. So the entry will be bill receivable account debit. How much? 20,000. To T. It is 20,000. Okay, and in the case of drawee, bill payable होता है, so your entry will be N's account debit 20,000 to bill payable. So this is done. Your first entry. And immediately discounted the bill with her bank at 12% per annum. Okay, so we'll start with the second point. N on the same date immediately discounted the bill with the bank. So your entry on same date, that is 1st October 2014 will be, now discounting with bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. कितना था bills receivable का amount? 20,000. And discount, see the rate, 12% per annum. So 12%, 20,000 into 12%, and the bill was for 3 months and it was immediately discounted. So total 3 months. 20,000 into 12% into 3 months comes up to 600. So 600 in your discount column and balance received 19,400. Now this transaction, please remember, is between N and bank. So T has nothing to do with it. Drawee is not involved. So no entry for discounting in the books of drawee. Let's move further. before due date, T dishonored her acceptance and bank paid noting charges rupees 120. Okay, so now we have to pass the entry for dishonor, and it is before due date. So let's take the due date only. 3 months का बिल था, so October से start करो. November, December, January. So month is January and add 3 days of grace. So 1 plus 3, 4th January 15 को हम बोलेंगे बिल डिसऑनर हो गया. So what do you do when bill is dishonored and you have to pay the noting charges also? So T अकाउंट जो पहले क्रेडिट था, ड्रॉई का अकाउंट, उसको वापस डेबिट करो, बिकॉज अगेन you have to take money from T now. So T's account debit, again T has become your debtor. T's account debit and मैंने बैंक को किया था डेबिट, so credit the bank here to bank. How much? 20,000. 20,000 का था बिल plus noting charges of rupees 120. See here, bank paid noting charges 120. So plus 120, 20,120. And the entry is discounted bill dishonored and bank paid noting charges, which definitely I will recover from, that is N will recover from T. And your narration, discounted bill dishonored and bank paid noting charges. So this is the entry for cancellation of your bill. Now what will be the entry in books of T? See again, bill payable here, which was credit. So again, bill payable debit, bill payable account debit. How much? 20,000. And noting charges also he will have to pay now. So noting charges account debit. How much? 120. Bill payable account debit, noting charges account debit to N. N को देना है. So in books of T, N is the creditor now, with total amount 20,120. And your narration will be bill dishonored and acceptance given to noting charges and the total amount of bill. Okay. Let's move further. Now 3 things will happen when you renew a bill. So let's read. T requested to renew the bill for further 3 months. N agreed. He took the bill back from bank and received first new acceptance of 50% amount of the bill plus second full amount of noting charges and cash of balance 50% plus interest rupees 200. So we have to first do the working. Let's move on. Now this is the books of N, the drawer, and this is the books of T, the drawing. I'll just do the working here. You do it on a separate page. Okay. So the total amount of old bill was 20,000. Okay. Out of 20,000, we'll make 2 parts. One part is your balance 10,000, and since it is said 50% and 50%, so one part 10,000 of which bill will be made, and one part 10,000 you will pay. The T will pay. So 10,000, 50% is your part payment, and 10,000 is your bill. New bill will be made, right? And here see what they have said. Read again. Bank paid noting charges 120. T requested to renew the bill for further 3 months. N agreed. He took the bill back from the bank and received new acceptance for 50%, that we have done 50% amount of the bill plus full amount of noting charges. So noting charges 120, तो वो बिल में ऐड हो जाएगा 120 और noting charges. Full amount of noting charges is here and cash for balance 50% plus interest 200. So what T will pay right now is 10,000 जो balance है plus interest of 200. Okay, so total here will be 10,120 and what he will pay is 10,200. So let's start. See, whenever there is renewal of bill, now you should remember that there will be 3 entries. One is cancellation of bill, old bill cancelled, that we have already done. Now the entry of interest is pending and making the new bill. 3 entries: cancel old bill, interest का entry and new bill का entry. Cancellation का entry हो गया है. So now entry for interest. What is the entry for interest in books of N? Will recover interest from T only. So T is account debit. Interest के amount तक T अभी N के books में debtor हो गया. So T is account debit. How much interest? Interest is 200. Okay. So to interest account. Being interest due on renewal will be your narration. And what will be the entry in books of T? T will have to pay interest. So interest T के लिए expense हो गया. Debit the expense. So interest account debit. How much? 200. देना किसको है? N को. N को creditor बनाओ T की books में. 2N 200. Being interest due on renewal. Okay, so now cancellation of old bill का entry हो गया, interest का entry हो गया. Now make the new bill. So new bill again 4th January को बनेगा. 4th Jan. उसी डेट को बिल कैंसिल होके न्यू बिल बना है. So 4th Jan is your date. And what will be your entry of receiving cash and making a new bill? Let's see. See, cash account or bank account debit. How much? See, part payment 10,000 plus interest मिल रहा है, तो 10,200. Total 10,200. N is getting right now. Okay. Now bills receivable, new bill भी मिल रहा है. Bills receivable, that is acceptance of T, again getting. So bills receivable account debit with how much amount? See here, 10,120. Okay, to T. Total 20,320. And your narration will be being cash and new acceptance received. Cash मिला, new acceptance मिला. So in the books of drawer the entry is cash account debit, new bills receivable account debit to the drawee. And narration is being cash and new acceptance received. And in books of T, what entry will you make? The entry will be N account debit, N's account debit, that is drawer account debit with the total amount 20,320, 20,320. Now you are paying, T is paying cash, so to cash bank. How much is he paying? 10,000 plus 200 interest, 10,200 agreed to pay, so 10,200. To your bills payable, T के लिए bills payable है क्योंकि वो ड्रॉई है. So bills payable how much? 10,000 bill रखना है and 120 was your noting charges. So 10,120. Okay, being cash and new acceptance given is the narration in books of T. Now let's move on to the next point. Before due date, T was declared insolvent. Okay, means his assets are not enough to pay the liability, so he is declared insolvent. And nothing can be received, and nothing can be received from her प्राइवेट एसेट्स. ओके, या तो पार्ट पेमेंट मिलता है कोई इंसॉल्वेंट होता है तो, या कुछ भी नहीं मिलता. तो अब क्या ड्यू है जो कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा? सी 10,200 तो वी ऑलरेडी रिसीव्ड. द न्यू बिल अमाउंट वाज ऑफ 10,120. सी 10,120 बिल पेएबल एंड 10,120 बिल रिसीवेबल यहाँ पर है. So nothing can be received means what? 10,120 जो कि ड्यू था वो कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. So your entry on which date? First date is important. See, लिया उसने and 7th April. Why 7th April? 4th Jan से आगे Jan, February, March, April. 3 months and 3 days of grace. So 4th का हो गया 5, 6, 7. So your entry will be on 7th April. So let's write the entry now. 7th April. Your entry will be, जो बिल रिसीवेबल था डेबिट में उसको अब क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा, और जो टी का अकाउंट क्रेडिट था उसको अब डेबिट करना पड़ेगा, because the new acceptance is also dishonored. First dishonor का एंट्री होगा, then bad debts का एंट्री होगा, right? So dishonor का एंट्री क्या है? Just the reverse of it. So your entry will be T's account. T's account debit कितने अमाउंट से? 10,120 to bills receivable. Just the reverse of this. 10,120. Okay. And in the books of drawee, that is books of T, what entry will you do? Bill payable जो क्रेडिट में था अब उसको डेबिट में करो, because the bill is dishonored. So bill payable account debit 10,120. Okay. And credit किसको करोगे? N को by the same amount. So to N, that is drawer, 10,120. Now this is the entry for acceptance being dishonored. Okay. Now next entry, one entry is remaining for your bad debts. That let's do on 7th April. Okay, 7th April again. Bad debts का entry. Now bad debts is expense in the books of N, that is drawer, and it bad debts expense है books of N में, drawer में, और T की books में क्या है? Now that is a question. T की books में it is called as deficiency. Deficiency is income for the drawee, क्योंकि अब उसको वो उतना अमाउंट पे नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हाउ द एंट्रीज विल बी प्लेस्ड. हियर इट विल बी एक्सपेंस बैड डेट. सो बैड डेट्स अकाउंट डेबिट. हाउ मच? कितना बैड डेट्स है? पूरा 10,120. सो 10,120 बैड डेट्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू द ड्रॉई, टू टी. 10,120. That is bad debts recorded in books of your drawer, and drawee की books में क्या होगा? Now you have to finish this. So N का account ऊपर लेके जाओ. N's account debit 10,120 to what? इनका इनकम, डेफिशिएंसी इनकम है, इनकम को हम क्रेडिट करते हैं, सो टू डेफिशिएंसी. नाउ टी नीड नॉट पे दिस, सो टू डेफिशिएंसी 10,120. So bad debts and deficiency both recorded in the books of drawer and drawee. I hope you have understood this solution. Don't learn any entry. Please don't mug up. Just keep on solving questions and it will be recorded in your mind as it is, because after all it is nothing but just debit and credit.